1 year ago, SORA 1 redefined what was possible with moving images. Today, we're announcing the SORA app, powered by the all-new SORA 2.
OpenAI just released SORA 2, and this is hands down the best AI video generator out there, beating out VEO 3 and Kling hands down. Check it out.
花火、綺麗だね。でも僕たちは少しずつ離れていく。
You're not ready for what comes next.
俺の中の力が目覚めた。これが真の俺だ。
As you've seen in that clip, SORA can make anime-like AI videos with super realistic physics, sounds, and everything. Just like VEO 3, SORA 2 can also produce, well, sounds. Not only that, but SORA 2 can do very realistic physics, so you don't have to worry about how realistic your generation is because SORA is handling that all on the back end while adding sound like VEO 3. Check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, with a count 1, 2, 3.
Ready when you are. 3, 2, 1, go! Dude, you alright?
I'm good.
Whoa, steady! Damn it!
As you've seen with the gymnast flipping on the beam, you see how realistic it is to see this. It seems like it's very high quality too, like 4K. Also, you saw the guy who did a backflip on a surfboard. You saw that the guy did a backflip, hit the surfboard, and the water was splashing. Very realistic. If I saw that video on social media somewhere, I'm not sure if I'll be questioning if this is real or not. I would just assume that this guy is just doing some dumb stuff with his friends. And that's a little bit scary. It's getting to the point where I used to be able to identify AI videos at a glance, whether I'm looking for it or not. Now, when I'm looking at videos, if somebody isn't asking me, hey, is this AI or not, I'm not really thinking AI or not. A lot of these videos are passing. With VEO 3, you could still tell that a lot of these videos are, well, AI generated, especially because of how whimsical it is. But it's getting kind of past that at this point, where if you don't pay close attention, you will not know what's real and what's not real. And what's not helping this out is that they're using this cameo feature where you can upload your own photo or use other people's photo on the app to make AI videos. Check it out.
What's up, guys? Check my kickflip.
Sauce down, 30 seconds on that scallop. Where's the puree, Sora?
Yes, chef, coming up.
On my left now, more microgreen.
Everyone keep your eyes open. Bien. And for my final mask, surprise!
Starring Rohan and his over-caffeinated keyboard. It's the all-new Just Coding Around.
Mix me. Try film noir. The city was quiet, but my mind was loud.
Here, watch this. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Whoa, wait a second. Why am I a cartoon? That wasn't supposed to happen. The lights are still on. This is...
Okay, you've got this. You've made excellent life choices. Excellent life choices, all of them. This outfit is proof. You're not panicking. You're calm, confident. You're the best looking man. Okay, you've got this.
As you've seen there, that is the SORA app, where you see it's basically like a social media platform where people are generating their own kind of TikTok on a AI-powered ChatGPT app, which is absolutely insane. Here's more from the team who explains more about the app in Cameo.
Even soundscapes. We're really excited for you guys to get your hands on this model. But there's one feature above all else that we're really pumped about. It's a new feature called Cameo, and it's unique to Sora 2. The way it works is by observing a short clip of, say, me, Rohan, or Thomas. You can then take that individual and insert them into any Sora-generated environment.
I'm going to click the Sora app here, and we're going to be dropped into a feed.
Revenue. Got it. Sora is pre-revenue. If you show revenue, people will ask how much, and it will never be enough. The company that was the 100x or the 1000x is suddenly the 2x dog. But if you have no revenue, you can say you're pre-revenue.
The app is indeed pre-revenue. So there's a couple of cool things to note here. So this is an example of the cameo feature I was talking about before. But actually, this is two cameos in one. So this is me talking with Sam in the same scene. And you'll notice lots of little details here that make these videos feel really realistic.
As you've seen there, they said this is their own social media app where you can go in and make videos of real people. They did say you have to give permission to use these real people. If they don't give you permission, then you can't generate it. But if they do give you permission, you can generate it. And you can generate AIs of yourself. This is beyond powerful when it comes to this because we don't see AIs this powerful. VEO 3 was great, but Sora 2 is just better. These look like some realistic scenes. It's sometimes hard to tell what's real and what's not real nowadays. Check this video out of Sam Altman telling us about the live stream.
1 hour to live stream!
Could you tell that was not real? That looked like it was some type of promotional content for the live stream. And what could took tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to make, you can make it in yourself for a few hundred. And not only that, OpenAI made a short film of Sora 2 going through highlight reels of how Sora works and their own trailer of it, which is absolutely insane. Check it out.
One year ago, Sora 1 redefined what was possible with moving images. Today, we're announcing the SORA app, powered by the all-new SORA 2.
It's the most powerful imagination engine ever built. And it's packed with new features. I'll pass it to Bill for more details.
Now every video comes with sound.
SORA 2 is also the state-of-the-art for motion, physics IQ, and body mechanics, marking a giant leap forward in realism.
And we're introducing Cameo, giving you the power to step into any world or scene and letting your friends cast you in theirs.
On the path to AGI, the gains aren't just about productivity. It's about creating new possibilities.
It's also about creativity and joy. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's why we're launching SORA 2 inside the SORA app, allowing everyone to push the limits of their imagination and create in ways we never thought possible.
SORA 2, I think, beats out, well, a lot of the video generators out there because I want to show you a side-by-side comparison of SORA 2, WAN 2, and VEO 3. As you see here, these are all generations.
Ready when you are. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Dude, you alright?
So that person who did that flip and how realistic SORA looks compared to VEO 3 and WAN 2.5. I think all these AIs have their place, but I don't see a WAN 2.5 or VEO 3 doing this level of realism. AI video generators are here, and we can see just how good they are. And this is the end of 5. Remember, Sam Altman is expanding, growing, buying more data centers, more compute power, more energy. So what is to say how video generators will look? Google is also doing the same thing, expanding, growing faster, rapidly. What is 2026 and 2027 going to look like? If you think that this is awesome and the coolest thing you've ever seen, you should definitely drop that comment. But if you think that this is scary and this is the potential end of the internet, let me know. If you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex9 Dexter out.